Pakistan is pushing India once again, with firing across the line of control and a shootout in Bandipora. These actions are clearly testing India's patience and escalating tensions. Tensions are rising along the line of control as India quietly prepares its next move. Pakistan has gone on a firing spree. Unprovoked attacks were launched across multiple sectors with mortars and small arms. The Indian Army responded swiftly, leading to heavy exchanges, though no casualties have been reported. The flare-up comes as the Indian Army Chief, General Upendra Dwivedi, is in Kashmir, assessing the volatile situation on the ground. Pakistan's suspension of the Shimla Agreement shows a clear disregard for the line of control. The agreement aimed to normalize relations and end conflict between the two nations. What was once a pact for peace is now off the table. And this latest incident wasn't just cross-border firing, it was a direct ceasefire violation. In February 2021, India and Pakistan agreed to a ceasefire along the line of control, building on the 2003 agreement. This led to a period of relative peace, with ceasefire violations becoming rare. However, by 2025, violations have become more frequent. On February 13th, Pakistani troops fired on Indian posts, prompting a strong response from the Indian Army. Then, on April 1st, Pakistani forces violated the ceasefire with unprovoked firing after a landmine exploded in the Poonch district. Following these attacks, a brigade commander level flag meeting was held, where India raised concerns about ceasefire violations, infiltration attempts, and border security. Despite the meeting, gunfights continued to erupt. The Indian Army launched a crackdown targeting the terrorists responsible for the Pahalgam massacre, where 26 tourists were killed. India struck first in Bandipora, engaging and killing Lashkar-e-Taiba commander Altaf Lalli, a key figure behind the attack. During the operation, 2 Indian Army soldiers were injured, but they remain in stable condition. The encounter highlights India's intensified efforts to dismantle terrorist networks in Jammu and Kashmir, turning the once peaceful tourist spot into a scene of bloodshed.